gonna look on my Instagram.
Yeah. Alright.
You gotta do that.
Oh, wait. Pause it. Play that really loud.
What?
Is your sound on?
Dude, it's recording.
Oh, you're recording.
Yeah.
Alright. I thought you were playing the old video.
No.
Alright. One, two, three, four, motherfucker, open the door. I'm about to roar so loud that the whole town can fucking hear. Yeah. Give me your fucking beer. Yeah. And get my fucking shears. Cause I might have to shave these testicles of all the fucking hair on them. That doesn't even rhyme. Fuck you! Fuck you! Bow, bow, bow! Waka, 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 bow! That's the sound of my gun. Yeah. And I'm the one who stutters sometimes. But don't you fucking stutter or I'll cover your eyes in blood because I'll shoot you in the forehead and then it'll bleed all over you and then you're dead and then I can't rhyme besides 2 lines so I give up. Why the fuck do I even try? That's the sound of the Joker. Motherfucker knows that I'm a midnight smoker, a toker, and I don't stop and I keep going. It's all synonyms shit, so bitch get token. Oh.
Yeah. Dude, the Midnight Smoker part was fucking prime. Oh my god.
I wanna watch that other one.
That was on my phone though.
Alright, play it.
Dude,